Hey, this question for you, Matt. We've had this beautiful opportunity for AI to be introduced into all of our systems, with custom development and integrations, and most all of our systems having great APIs that we can connect into. And most solutions that we do, we have the ability to pull data from multiple locations, multiple systems, so that we can report what managers need to be able to make decisions, to be able to pull the right levers based on that information. And with AI, it feels like things are only going to be better and easier to highlight key pieces of information in as far as opportunities in that space.
Yeah, so I can actually take some examples of what we're thinking about doing here at Steele Consulting. So we, similar to many other consulting software development companies, many other companies in other industries, log our time in a time billing system, and with that, we are able to do certain levels of reporting, understanding of that data, but it requires a pretty intrinsic knowledge from somebody that is well versed with how the business works, how this information should be interpreted, etc. That also leads to human error, blind spots for the person that is working on those reports and trying to understand those reports. And so with that, we're looking at the potential of implementing AI to help us find those blind spots. What are the areas that our current reporting and our current understanding of this data that we track, down to the hour? What are we doing each day, each week? What are the things that we're missing? How could we potentially extract more efficiency from where we assign people? Are we having certain people just not show up in reports because they are being excluded for some weird fringe case that we haven't taken into consideration, and it might be completely skewing our numbers? Even just as a second line of defense, having artificial intelligence to be able to say, this is what you currently have, but training a model to allow for us to better understand this is the holistic amount of information, and how can we better leverage that to make better decisions, catch some of these blind spots. That's kind of what we've been thinking about.